Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Zara Pratna Sakina and I'm from class English Education Department A. So today I want to answer the all question about understanding phonology. So let's get started. For the answer number one, the two definitions of phonology above have different levels of clarity and here are my thoughts on each. First definition. This definition is quite good in explaining that phonology is a branch of linguistics that studies sound system within one language or across language. The branch, including or excluding phonetics, indicates that phonology can encompass the physical aspect of sounds. Phonetics are focused on the function and pattern of sound system, sound within a linguist system. Although fairly clear, additional clarification about the sound system could help make the study object of phonology, or such as phonemes, easier to understand. 2. Second definition. This definition is more concrete and focused, emphasizing two main aspects of phonology: the organization of sounds and their function in language. This definition might be easier to understand intuitively because it directly highlights the two primary features of phonology, which are the organization and function of sounds. So, conclusion: the second definition tends to be clearer because it directly conveys the role and function of phonology in understanding the structure and meaning of language, while the first definition provides a broader view of the scope of phonology without emphasizing its functional aspect. For the answer number 2, phonology is the study of sounds in language and how the sounds function to differentiate word meaning. Phonology helps us understand sound patterns in language. The difference between the sounds P and B can distinguish meanings. For example, pet, to type likely, and bed, a piece of sport equipment or playing mammal. For the answer number 3, phonology study how sounds in speech are organized or structured in this language. Phonology examines the rules or patterns that determine how certain sounds can appear, change, or affect other sounds when we speak. The goal is to understand the sound system in a language and how the sounds create different words. For the question number 4, two types of sound pattern is contrastive and non-contrastive sounds. For the first, contrastive sound is minimal pairs can be understood by three main characteristics, namely: for the first, contained in the same number of segments or letters or alphabets. 2. Differ in only on one segment. 3. Have different meanings. Based on three characters, a minimal pair can be defined as two words that have the same number of sound phonemes, but differ by just one sound and also have different meanings. 2. Non-contrastive sound or allophone can be defined as different variations of the same phoneme that do not change the meaning of a word. These variations occur depending on the phonetic context but are perceived as the same sound by native speakers. For the answer number 5, minimal pairs are basically words that sound almost the same but have different meanings because of one tiny sound difference. For example, sun and fun. Difference between S and F. These pairs help people learn new language by focusing on small sound difference. For the answer number 6, minimal pairs have two perspectives: segmental sound and phonemic position. The segmental sound perspective focus on difference in consonant or vowel sounds that change word meaning. Consonant minimal pairs, for example, meaning. So this is the all answer for the sixth question, and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.